Okay, so in the last lecture, we were talking about random forest with one hot encoding, and we have already seen that when we got the best hyperparameter, there were two hyperparameters, one is depth and second is estimator. And then further to this, we got our training and test losses. Now we were also looking at the misclassified point, which got around 0.38. So let's go and put that. So there were two values. So here we're gonna keep it 0.38. So this number have also increased, right? But definitely this is not doing that well when we compare it with respect to other model. That's surprising, but yes, it's not working. Now let's come back and see a few more things here that basically we will calculate the confusion matrix and all, and again you can see that there will be few confusions, but other than that it's all same. Now it's very simple way to basically for you to go back and look at this precision and recall. I'm not going for every kind of explanation on this because it's quite simple now. Then further to this, we can also look at the classification points, and you can see here that we have correctly classified this, and the reason is again the probability was 60.4%. Again, when we say about random forest, it's quite good in terms of interpretability, so we are getting a nice interpretation about our results as well. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna follow the same random forest, but this time with the response coding, and let's see the results what's gonna come out to be. Again we're gonna get the hyperparameters. Once we got the hyperparameters, we will get the log loss and all that. So let's put it. So train loss is coming as 0.05. So let's put it 0.05. This is random forest for response encoding. So 0. This is quite low, right? So let's go back and see whether what's the further result. Now this is 1.2 and 1.3. Okay, immediately reject this model. Reason being, you can easily see that 0.05 and 1.2, there's a huge difference between them. That means there's a huge overfitting which have happened in this case. So definitely this model is not good, but let's still see that what is the value of classification we're gonna get. So let's go back and see it. So it's coming as 48.68%, which is again bad, right? 48.68. So again, this is telling me up that again this is a worst model which we have seen till now, and random forest is definitely not working good. Not even for one hot encoding, but response coding encoding was even worst. So this is how we can see this part, and further to this, again we can look at this matrix part, and we can again classify and do the interpretation with this. So this is how you can kind of look at and basically get your interpretability and get your query point classified. Now this is interesting, right? So we got a good table with almost all the algorithms which are available. We will still do one or two more things, but we have almost covered up all the algorithms, and few places I've gone with one hot encoders, few places I've gone with response coding. I would like to give you as a homework activity to get this even more better. I would suggest you to please go through it and try it wherever I have tried only with one hot encoder. Please try to do it with response coding. Try to create a table, keep writing all those things with you, and same way keep on doing for all the algorithms like that, and see what the results comes out to be, right? So I have just chosen whichever I feel is the best just to show you up that how it behaves. So this is the way we gonna get the results till now. So great. In that case, let's connect in the next lecture for one more further thing.